Hi, my name is Maria, and I will be walking you through an application called Breather that I built using Express, Handlebars, and Mongoose. First, I'll give you a brief description of the app, then I'll walk you through some of the features, briefly show you some of my code, and end by discussing future improvements. Breather is an app for teams to cultivate mindfulness through intention setting and a collection of free resources for practicing meditation. Whether you're a part of a team of athletes or coworkers, Breather allows you to take the time to breathe and cultivate awareness in order to bring more meaning and purpose to your mission. Now I'll walk you through the application. When you initially enter the site, the log of intentions that have already been set by other teammates or other users and recorded are displayed. There are login and join tabs built with passport authentication. So let's say that a user wants to log in. Simply press login, type in your email address, and password. So again, once you're in the site, you'll see the log of intentions that have already been set here. They are distributed by date, most recent at the top. You'll also notice on the navigation bar, you now have different options. One labeled intention, one labeled meditation, a tab for profile, and a tab for logout. So let's go ahead and create an intention. Click intention. Take a deep breath and set your intention. And if you have multiple usernames, as in this case, they will populate here. But simply click the one that responds to you. And there you go. You've created your intention here. You can see it then when you go back to the home page as the first post right here. Now another feature for the intention model, which is full CRUD, is that you can delete posts as well. So let's say we want to delete this. We would simply click here and press delete. Now, another feature is creating a comment. So if we want to comment on a teammate's post, for example, this one, practice patience on and off the field, simply write go teammate was one of the comments, and you can add another comment here. And there you go. The comments are here for that particular intention. And again, once you go back to the landing page, you'll notice that the comments have been made for that particular post. Right here. All right, so let's take a look at the code. Here you'll notice that we have a number of routes, controllers, models, and views. I'll demonstrate the intention model for this example. So here we have a intention route with a number of requests: post, get, put, and delete. So the request comes into the intention router, and then the router figures out which controller should handle that request. In this case, it is the intention controller, which is up here. And then here, the intention controller, through this code, builds and then sends the response by fetching data from the model, which is right here. Notice that the model has a number of properties, including content, date, author, and answers, which in this case are comments. And then once the controller fetches the data from the model, it'll render it in a view. As displayed here. If we go back to the Breather app, you'll notice that another feature here is a meditation tab. When you click on this meditation tab, there are a number of guided meditations here, so they are simply links to guided meditations. For example, if you click on this link, you'll be prompted to go to the Meditation Oasis link for guided meditations. Future improvements include being able to add to this collection of guided meditations by clicking this button. In the meantime, while this feature is disabled, I have made sure to notify the user with this tab right here. Thank you for taking the time to watch my screencast. Stay tuned for an updated version of Breather app.